Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Vlog. This side is Rajput. Guys, today I'm telling about the next onboarding date. The last joining mail received on 18 April. Next onboarding of the phases of the candidate got the mail from the company side that they have onboarded the candidate, and hence they sent the mail about that they have a joining on 18th of April. Now about the remaining candidate whose joining will be possible in this month or not. So I'm discussing about this topic in this video only, and there is another mail also received from the candidate from the company side that they have a joining in a phases or something like joining. So guys, please subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog or press the bell icon for more notification. And as you see my playlist also, there was a job opportunities. So guys, I am requesting you to please apply for the more job opportunity, because many companies start a company has have their joining fresher as a fresher candidate as joining and a candidate. So guys, please watch my playlist. There is a many company like having the Seagate, card Dekho also. They are hiring the fresher candidate of the 2023 batch. Now coming to the mail that a candidate received from the company side, that the main important thing, greeting from Mphasis campus hiring team with reference LOI is we had offered you to join the company employment latest by the next week. We did not hear from you, hence your LOI, letter of intent, and the offer made for employment stat terminated. So guys, please note that if the company send you the mail or any big call about that you have a joining, please don't answer in a reply that is ma'am or sir, please onboard my that one, onboard my training or something like onboard my candidate that's having the LOI. So the company, if you don't reply in a mail or you don't reply in a call about the letter that we have a joining that a company side, so your letter will be terminated. So guys, please be aware about that. Please don't onboard your condition about that you are not available for this date or you are not available for that date. So please guys, your letter of intent will be cancelled. This is the warning from the company side. So as soon as you get the mail from the company side, accept the offer letter and proper document upload also, because there was a document problem also facing the many candidate. They have not uploaded the document in a proper way, like they have not submitted the document of 10th 12th mark sheet and then another one also. So guys, please, I'm just aware about this topic, because many candidate have terminated, got the termination of the company side, because like you will not able to claim any employment with Mphasis further based on this letter of intent. Understand? Please, any further question, please write the campus hiring. Wishing you all the best in the future endeavor. So guys, I'm requesting you, please onboard, don't delay your onboarding from your side, because company is going to terminate your offer letter if you're going to do this. So I'm just requesting you guys, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.